Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last classes we already completed the solution approaching methods, the graphical approach and algebraic in that substitution, elimination, cross multiplication method are over. After that, some of the questions, it is not look like two equations in two variables. Even if it is looking like, but it is not feeling to solve by using directly by applying our substitution or elimination or cross multiplication method. Those kind of some complex models you need to convert into that linear equations in two variables. That's what I wrote heading. Equations are reducible into pair of linear equations in variable. Some questions it might not be look like too easy to solve in two equations in two variables like pairs. So you need to convert into that our requirement of forms. I'll take some complex models. In this measure 3 or 4 models will be there. I'll take one by one model. Then I'll explain with better examples. So let us in these 3 models will be having. Number 1 will go for model 1 problem. So it is model 1. So model 1 approach. Let us I take a problem. So please anyone tell me the problem. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. Next 5 by x plus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. This is the minus. Okay, right, minus. This is the question we are having. But when you see this question, 2 by x, 3 by y is equal to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. But this is two equations, two variables, but it is x and y are denominators. But denominator problem we cannot solve. We have very clear. We cannot solve. What is that means? That you are converted into that easy form. Like 2 into some other constant, if you do means you can get answer easily. For that reason, what I have to do is take two equations. What is the common portion you are having? That you assume some other one. So let us rewrite the equations. 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13. 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. This equation, what is the common portion I am having in this? So this is the common portion I am having both cases 1 by x. So assume 1 by x is equal to p. I have assumption 1 by x is equal to p. Whatever you can own your assumption. Let common portion having 1 by y. I am taking 1 by y is equal to q. It is in between assumptions to make it simple conversion to two equations, two variables. Please substitute here it is. What I have to do? 2 into constant nu 2p plus 3 into q is equal to 13. 5 into p minus 4 into q that is equal to minus 2. So this is a new model equation now looking so simple. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13, 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Now these are two equations in two variables. That's what. These are pair of linear equations in two variables. Now this equation we can solve. So by using any one graphical or elimination or substitution method, any one method you can do. So these two equations, equation 1 and 2, these two, solve any method. And you can do a substitution elimination, no worry about that, whatever method you can solve. But I was already solved, that's what I am directly writing. I got answers. P is equal to 2, I got answers. Q is equal to 3. Any method you solve, you are going to get P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3. I got it directly because I don't want to waste our time with this. So, but P and Q are not our values. But what I want, x and y values I want. But as we know, what is the P is equal to 1 by x. So P is equal to, as you know, P is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to what is your assumption? 2. But cross multiply you can do it. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Next case, what is the q value? So q is equal to 1 by y. And what is the answer you got in q is equal to 3? 3 by 1. Cross multiply you are getting. So y is equal to 1 by 3. I got it is. So this is a way you are finding some tough problems should make it an easy way. But when you are looking at the problem, it is very tough case because it is not looking like x and y into constants. That's what to in between the assumptions will take a common portion 1 by x assumption other constant 1 by other constant the total two equations convert to general model. Do any method in between you can solve your own methods because I don't want to waste your time. That's what you get direct answers. Any one method you can apply, you get answer. After getting answers, but p is equal to what is the assumption, again be back. Your substitution and go back taken away. So answers in terms of x and y, you got it. This is the one model you are getting in examinations. Next model 2 also I should go. Model 2. So directly I should go back to model 2. So model 2 means how you are going to get problem. Please tell me the questions. Model 2 is 5 by x minus 1. Next, press 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Next question number 6 by x minus 1. Next minus 3 by y minus 2 that is equal to 1. This is a model. Previously having 1 by x. So y only x and y is there. Now it is not x and y. X minus 1 and y minus 2. X minus 1 y minus 2. Some complexity they are increasing. Don't worry about that. How you did this problem, same model you can apply. So let us see what is the common portion I am having. Please take into consideration. 5 by 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Same concept. In this, what is the common portion? This is a common portion. So same thing, assume 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. What is the common portion? That only you can take. Right? That is a very important thing. Next here 1 by 1 y minus 2 common portion you can take it q. That is the thing is are. So please apply in that. So what you are writing it is here 5p plus q is equal to 2. So 5p plus q is equal to 2. Next 6p plus 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. 6p and the 3q is equal to 1. So this is the two equations in two variables. Now what you want to do? These two equations, use your approach, or you can any one method, graphical or approach, or mathematical elimination, cross multiplication, substitution, solve. Please you solve any method. So after solving of one method I was taken, I got answer directly. So I got answer p is equal to 1 by 3, q is equal to 1 by 3. I got answer p is equal to 1 by 3, q is equal to 1 by 3. Both are same answers I got it. But I don't want p and p, but I want answers x and y. Please replace it. What is p is equal to? As we know, p is equal to 1 by x minus 1. But this answer equal to how much it is? 1 by 3 I got it is. So equate this one. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. X minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. I got x is equal to 4. Clear? Same thing I think now you know q is equal to 1 by y minus 2. But what is the answer I got when I am doing? 3. Please equate 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3. Do cross multiply. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2 plus 2. So y is equal to 5. This is the way I am converting a complex problem. I am reducible into linear pair of linear equations to variable. Then I solve it is. After that I resubstituted assumptions back to that to get x and y values. This is one of the complex format will come. You can do it. This is the method too. So we go for model 3. So model 3 is that. So let us go for model 3. Model 3 is very simple. So please tell me the question. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Next, 2x plus 4y is equal to how much it is? 5xy. The question will come like this, or sometimes question will go like this also. 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6, or 2x plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. Like this also will come question sometimes. Sometimes question will down also they will write. But the question will it is not x into y is equal to then x into y. So look like some tough model. So don't worry about that. That model will come like this or like this. I'll tell how to do it. Please look at here. It's very simple format you have to do it. So how to apply it is you got it. Simple here or here you have converted it like this only. So 6x plus 3y is equal to 6 by xy you can write. After this second equation 2x plus 4y by xy equal to 5. So xy you can divide it is 6x by xy, xx cancel, you are getting 6 by y. Plus 3 by yy cancel, 3 by x you got it is. Now it is 6. Now this is what xx cancel, 2 by y you got it is. This is 4 by x you got it is. This is our way. Now these equations are look like a model one approach. This equation look like model one approach. So same thing you can do it. What you have to do? Simple thing. Same 3x. So the common portion you can write first x. 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y is equal to 6. 4 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y is equal to 5. So what is the common portion here? Same like model. 1 by x which are constant. 1 by y is the same. So assumption this is a p, this is a y. Same thing 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by y is equal to q. So these two you can substitute over here. What you are getting here? Directly write 3p plus 6q is equal to 6. 4p plus 2q is equal to 5. This is the equations. Have I clear it is? It is our model. We can write directly here. After doing of this, solve this. When you are solving this, I got answer p is equal to 1, q is equal to 1 by 2. I got answer. Any one method. After p is equal to 1 by 2 means please substitute over here. So 1 by x is equal to p is equal to 1. So 1 by x is equal to 1. So cross multiply x is equal to 1 I got. Second case 1 by y is equal to q I got 1 by 2. So 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2 cross multiply I answer I am going to get. This is the way how to get answers. So in the case solving I didn't apply the method. Any method you can apply because I don't want to waste your time. I should wanted to cover the models. So this is the three models will come. Third model, this is a part of third model converted into first model. Then approaching will be as like in the first model. So this is the way you need to cover the questions in your textbooks. I hope very clearly you can solve any kind of problem in the textbooks of linear equations to variables. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next videos. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.